punch
Trigger away!
can make an SUV somersault head over wheels.
There's so much that can go wrong on this.
Who are the Mythbusters? Adam Savage and Jamie Heineman.
Is that hot enough for you?
Between them, more than 30 years of special effects experience. Joining them, Grant Imahara.
He's alive!
Carrie Byron.
I was less excited after my first kiss.
And Tori Belleci.
This is real science.
They don't just tell the myths, they put them to the test. First up, the Mythbusters have a viewer request straight from the top.
You know, some viewers may be watching us and thinking, huh, the boys are standing on a very accurate set of the White House library.
But they'd be wrong.
Indeed, they would be, because this is not a set. This is the real deal, because on today's special episode of Mythbusters, the myth we're busting comes courtesy of a very special guest.
In fact, here he is.
Hey guys, how are you?
Very good.
Good to see you. Welcome to the White House.
Thank you, Mr. President.
It is a thrill to have you here.
So what can we do for you?
Well, I am a big fan of Mythbusters.
Really?
I am, and so are the girls. Partly because we are just fascinated by science. You guys make it fun and exciting and interesting, and occasionally you blow things up, which is always cool. But I have a personal interest in this as president because nothing's more important to our country's future than getting young people engaged in math and science. A lot of the challenges that we face as a country are going to depend on how engaged young people are in science, and so I'm just thrilled that you guys do such a great job making it fun.
Thank you, sir. That means a great deal to us.
Well, I appreciate that. Now, I do know that science requires a lot of trial and error. Part of what Mythbusters is about is testing out various hypotheses, and I think that we've got a big one that hasn't been thoroughly tested.
Which one is that?
Well, it is Archimedes' solar ray.
Well, that is a classic.
It is a classic, and so I'm hoping that we can take one more crack at it.
Okay.
The story goes that Archimedes designed a solar weapon that focused the sun's rays with such ferocity it set an invading Roman navy ablaze. But when the Mythbusters duplicated his ancient design,
It's 280 degrees.
it failed to fuel a fire.
I'm standing right in it, and I'm not dead yet.
So they reloaded the ray with the help of MIT and 300 mirrors.
Look at that!
But that still didn't set this myth alight,
I see a little smoke, but I've seen worse than that before.
which leaves Adam with a burning question.
If you don't mind me saying so, sir, what do you think we actually got wrong on this?
Well, there's one thing you didn't do.
Well, we did use a giant solar mirror array.
And we did use 300 bronze mirrors